You smiling?
Yeah.
Okay, come on.
There you go. Ready?
Stop for a minute there. You might keep on going.
How we did it?
Look at him trying to slide.
Is that good? Huh? Let's do that some more. Let's do that some more. Ready?
Starting little. Whoopsie! Was that fun? And that's a cookie sheet. Ooh, where's Danny? There's Danny. Danny, slide for me.
What?
Slide for me. No, I missed Danny. Slide like Sean's doing, not on your clothes. Back further.
I won't go on that. Turn it cold, Sean. Whoa.
Look at the pretty countryside. And Kat and Aunt Martha and Aunt Mary are in that place right down there. And there's our motor home. Right there. And everything else. And that's all she wrote. And goodbye. Snow fort they made.
G.I. Joe or combat? Mortal Kombat? What? Mortal Kombat? No, combat.
Starting to snow.
Combat. Okay, we're combat. The Germans are attacking.
I'll zoom in one more time and then I'll turn it off.
Well, we have to make a deal with that. I wrote down.
Hi. Yay! Hi. Good talk now. Is it dark? We're gonna go out and film the snow now.
Yeah.
Oh, listen to him cry.
Get up.
He's so mommy-tized. He's mama-tized him too much. I'm gonna head on back down there. I'm getting cold and need to put my feet up in front of him. Wait a second.
Oh, you like this tree? You like that this tree has been alive for 100 years? No.
Can you see the snow? Yes, but I can't see the boys.
Oh, yay! I'm right. Here, this is the arm.
It's snowing.
Here they are born.
Go! It's a movie. I can go over it. I can do it whenever you're ready. My hands are cold.
Yeah, really. It's cold out here. Okay.
Slide?
On the slide? That's not deep enough, is it?
Yeah, let me stick them in the back of your pants.
Ready? Woo! What's this about? It's sticky. It's real sticky snow.
Quit playing with sticks.